Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, PhD Digital Maths. Question number 7. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Okay. So first, दो सर्कल हमने ड्रॉ किया है. Let C1 is the smaller circle and C2 is the larger circle. Okay. So दोनों का सेंटर क्या है यहाँ पे? We will take as O. Now we draw a chord AB such that it touches the circle C1 at point D. So now we will draw the chord. Okay, it touches C1, which is the circle 1 at point D. Let the take chord as AB. Fine. Now we will draw. Center is O. Now we draw a perpendicular bisector from O to AB. ओके ये एक ऑलरेडी मैंने जब इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में आपको ये थ्योरम मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. थ्योरम इज व्हाट द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल टू द chord bisects the chord equally. That means AD is equal to DB. अगर हम सेंटर से कोई परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, कॉर्ड तक अगर कोई परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, दैट लाइन बाइसेक्ट्स द कॉर्ड इक्वली. नाउ जॉइन OB. OB इज द रेडियस ऑफ द C2. ओके, OB इज द रेडियस ऑफ द C2 एंड टेक दिस OP. OP is the radius of the C1. Fine. So we will write here C1 का radius क्या है? OP. Radius is equal to OP. How much? This is given 3 centimeters. See in the question. And C2, R is equal to, this is R1, this is R2. R2 is equal to OB. How much? 5 centimeter. Fine. So OD is perpendicular bisector of the AB. OD is the perpendicular bisector of the AB. Therefore, AD is equal to DB. जो थियरम मैंने आपको बताई थी, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord and it's vice versa. अगर bisects हो रहा है, then ये perpendicular है. And और क्या है? ODB is a right angle triangle. ODB is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So we can use here Pythagoras theorem to find out DB. So DB is equal to OB square minus OD square. It will come under root. That means 5 square minus, here OD is how much? OD is also 3 centimeter because this is the radius of the C1 circle, which is the smaller circle. So OD is also 3 centimeters. So write down here 3 and it will come under root. So 25 minus 9, that is a square root of 16. Answer is 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. It is plus minus, but as we know, we never take minus integer, negative integer as the distance. So plus 4 centimeter. Okay, what we got? DB. But AB is the question which is asked. AB is equal to AD plus DB. So here, as AD is equal to DB, already हमने यहाँ पे दिखाया है, देखो यहाँ पे AD is equal to DB because the perpendicular bisector है. So we can write here 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. This is the answer. So the length of the chord is 8 centimeter. Okay. Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay, opposite sides का sum equal है करके हमें prove करना है. Okay, here we will use the theorem, the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Which theorem? Theorem 2 we will apply here. So step by step I will write here. Suppose A is an external point, then AP is equal to AS. अगर A external point है तो AP is equal to AS. These two are the tangents of the circle. Similar way, B is an external point, then okay, यहाँ पे if, so BP is equal to BQ, BP is equal to BQ, right? Similar way, if C is an external point, then CR is equal to CQ. Similarly, if D is an external point, अगर D external point है तो tangents क्या है? DR is equal to DS. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to add these equations. Okay, now by adding this equation, on adding equations 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, what we will get? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to RHS में जो है AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now we need to arrange it properly. Okay, अभी arrangement क्या करना है? देखो AP plus BP ये तो अरेंज ऑलरेडी है, सो हम क्या करेंगे, इसे सर्कल करके रख देंगे. AP प्लस ब्रैकेट करके रख देंगे, प्लस CR प्लस DR, दिस इज ऑल्सो अरेंज्ड, CR प्लस DR इज इक्वल टू AS प्लस BQ है. देखो AS प्लस BQ कुछ आएगा नहीं, बट AS प्लस DS से आएगा, सो DS को हम इधर लेके आएंगे. AS प्लस DS ब्रैकेट प्लस BQ प्लस CQ. अभी देखो ब्रैकेट हम जब ओपन करेंगे, AP प्लस BP क्या होता है? AB प्लस CR प्लस DR क्या होगा? CD is equal to AS plus DS, that is AD plus BQ plus CQ, that is BC. हो गया proved. By using which theorem? The complete sum we used theorem 10.2. 10.2 हमने यूज किया जहां पे tangents equal होते हैं. So this equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this, and this equal to this. Okay, this is what the question number 8. छोटा सा है, but यहाँ पे क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन, अगर आपने CQ इधर लिखा, CR उधर लिखा, तो वहां पे फिर से आपको कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. सो जब लिखते वक्त ही एक साइड में ऐसे टेंजेंट्स लिखो जिनका सम हम बाद में पूरा हमारा कंप्लीट जो लाइन है वो आ जाएगा. क्वाड्रिलेटरल का एक साइड जो है वो आ जाना चाहिए. ओके, फाइन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, 8 completed. So in next session you will get question number 9 and 10. So please stay tuned with us, and those who haven't subscribed, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel PhD Digital Maths. So see you in the next session. Bye bye.